Alright guys, we're just going to do an update on what went on yesterday. I'm going to try to talk over them. They over there working on that truck back over there. But we'll get over there in a minute. But we're on these fuel tanks. And yesterday, if you watched the video of building the brackets for them, today we're going to try to have the part 2 of getting them together and installing the fuel lines, whatnot in them, and what all. But as you can see, he's back there. They're back there now trying to finish them up. They're working on pretty hard. They got to give them this bed here they're discussing. Man, I tell you, they getting at it over there. What in? Boy. That don't look like. That don't look familiar. I don't know what does. The phone ringing back over there. They'll go catch that for me. I guess she's pouring something for him. Tell you what, that foreman right there, he probably won't answer the phone. He over doing something. He talked about them fuel tanks. But anyway, we said we were going to try to fire this thing up, in February. We're sure going to try that, We're still aiming for that spot to get that done. These guys get them tanks mounted in that bed. We'll get it all cleaned up, painted, and going. But I just want to give everybody an update on what going on. I tell you what, these girls over there, they chit-chatting about something. I don't know what they chit-chatting about. Let me get over there and find out what's going on with them. Hold on a minute. We'll go see what they talking about. I don't know what they discussing. Let's go find out if we can find them over here somewhere. Let's see what we got going on over here. Is she saying anything over here? Let me get a little closer.
Confidence has helped me because it just
feels they discussing.
Really when you walk into a room and you're not like, oh my gosh, are my shoes tied? Is my hair okay? When you can just walk in.
Oh, they was talking about the model shoes. That's all they talking about.
Being confident definitely helps you make more friends.
Well,
because you will have the courage to go up and talk to other people.
Huh.
Most people might.
We'll let them go ahead and do their discussing there, and we'll get away from them. Come on. But anyway, this is what it's all about in the shop here. We gonna get it all going up. Just a short video, just an update. What in the world? I don't know what she's doing. You know what I'm trying to say. But if you want to watch the part 2 of it, I cut the sound off during the rest of this video because just doing a little talk over with it. Because, man, there was a lot of racket out there in the shop. It really was. Boy, tell you what, they hard-headed, ain't they? In that truck, though, they got the ECM and all in it. I don't know if you said ECM in there or not. It's kind of against the wall there. There, you see part of it now. I'm gonna throw all that. We're gonna see what's going on here. But we are still gonna fire that truck up. It's all good. We're gonna fire it up. I hope by the end of the month. I hope. But anyway, that's the update. And if you want to watch part 2 of building the tanks, you're more than welcome to join us and watch it. And we'll come back with another update. Boy. All right, stay tuned. We'll work on part 2.